Okay, well, it's been a long time since I last recorded a video or actually worked on this. I worked on it this morning and now after work. I did get it working exactly the way I wanted it to. So finally, actually no, I didn't. I just remembered, but the easy fix for the other thing I want to change. So now when you hit this, spins and fades out, adds to the value, and now it deletes on the server. And this animation only plays on the server, and it's a tween. I just go through a bunch of Roblox pages to actually find out how to do this. But, well, for it with the model. Actually, wait, I didn't even use any of the ways they showed. I just did a pair loop instead. Anyways, now it counts up. Coins disappear. Bricks are fine. I have to get rid of some of these. I was trying to figure out what it was doing, so it prints a lot more than it should. And these right now, currently not made, but it's going to have a bunch of things that can spawn. I'm going to have to figure out how these can go to the right and fall off the brick, or keep on going until maybe raycasting. You can have it tween in a direction until with raycasting. I don't know. I'm gonna do that yet. But right now, I just got the coins working, which is what I wanted to do. It took me so long though. Way too long. Anyways, just quick update. Now on client event. So now when this happens, 3 here. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Get rid of some of these things. Okay, 1 coin drop. I don't need that since I know it works now. Okay, so now on the server side, whenever the client hits the head off a brick with the tag brick tag, you have a 1 in 5 chance right here, which I think I said this last video, to actually activate. Well, yeah, to drop a coin, and then if it doesn't, it'll get disabled, which is down there. So then it'll get the model. It'll clone the model and make the equal into the folder into the coin spawn items coins. Then it's gonna pick position. It's gonna pivot of it, and then it's pivoting the coin to the brick. This is what I wanted to change. That way, it's not touching the brick. It'll be above it a little bit. And then it'll add 2 power-ups. Power-ups is what gets passed over from bricks. So this coin storage is equal to 0 by default. I should probably, it's fine. So then it's adding to that value inside the table. It is then firing off the remote with the new power-ups to the client from the server, which goes in here. And then whenever on client event, so it's listening from there to, it's passing in the coin, power-ups and coin, which is right here and players by default. So then it's then tweening, server shut to client. So then it is now tweening, send the rotation of it. So make it go do a 360 and over the 2 seconds go transparent. So then I'm going through a pairs loop, which is what confused me because I had it working 1 p.m. To 2 p.m. before I left for work, but then it wasn't working. So then I had to do this because I use a model instead of just a part. So I was confused on how to do a model, but now I'm just going through all the parts inside of it, and I'm tweening each part and playing its own thing per part. So run once and then twice because it's 2 parts inside the model. And then after the tween is completed, it'll connect it to the function. It'll shoot another remote, remove object remote, and it's passing the object it wants to remove back to the server. And then this should probably be called object because if I ever want to remove mushrooms or something, I could use the same remote. Okay. And then this is just making the player's UI equal to the coin storage that was passed in from here. So you can change the value, but it wouldn't really do anything. It'd be client-sided. It's probably a lot of exploits, but I don't really care. There you go. That's above it. Okay. It took me a really long time to do this, but I'm really happy, I'll be honest. And this is the next thing. Getting the table to actually work with a random chooser picker. Because now I'm going to need this, and this. I think you can also get coins from a power-up block. So I guess it's just all of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then have like a higher chance to get the more common 2. And then these being lower chance. And then... Oh, no, I need to also get power-ups, but I also need to get it to work first before I do that. It actually fallen off the cube because right now you can't really get onto the cube. Anyways, I'm going to get off. I just got home from work and spent an hour and a half Trying to get it to work with the model for some reason. I don't know why it took me so long. Oh, that's 3 coins in a row. Anyways, everything is definitely going to be changed in this. And I'm going to do a little bit more tomorrow. Probably no video though. All right, thank you guys. Bye.